Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add fun effects to your Instagram notes. If you want your notes to be more interesting and eye-catching, this guide will show you how to use emojis and stickers to add creative and cheerful effects. Here's how to do it quickly and easily. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you see the update option, tap it to download and install the latest version. Once that's done, tap Open to launch the Instagram app directly. On the Instagram home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. When you're on your profile, you'll see an option labeled Notes at the top of the screen, just above your profile picture. Tap it to open the field where you can write your note. In the field that appears, type your message, such as Happy Birthday, Congratulations, or any other similar message. Enhance your message by adding festive emojis like confetti, balloons, cakes, and more. When you're happy with what you've written, tap Share in the top right corner, and that's it. When your followers tap on your note, the balloons and other decorative elements will scatter across the screen, adding a fun visual effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.